Good evening, Naveen. So you are about 8 minutes late. Did you forget you had a session at this time?
I didn't forget, but there is a problem with network. I'm in my hometown.
Okay, you're trying to fix it. All right,
Yes,
never
yes.
mind.
Now I am on top of my house, and now
Fine.
I
Okay.
connected to the session.
So you're right. So you're on the terrace. Is that the only place where you have good internet connection? All right,
Yes.
fine. We will talk about celebrities. So tell me, Naveen, firstly, is there anybody that you follow closely who's famous? It could be from any field, whether entertainment, sports, politics, business, anybody there who's always in the news that you follow very closely because you like their work.
No, I don't follow the celebrities.
You don't follow celebrities. Okay,
Yes.
so now our discussion is dead. So tell me, what is your viewpoint of celebrities, and just tell me whatever opinion you might have about celebrities generally. Like now if you are in charge of the discussion.
Yeah, sure, sure. And first, what do you think? Can you define celebrity?
Celebrity is a person who's
Okay.
famous because of his work, because or maybe somebody who's a reality show contestant. That person is also famous. That person is making
Hmm.
money for being famous. An influencer could also be a celebrity, but I think of celebrity some a businessman who does uh, a lot of promotional work in the eye of the press so that the world knows about what he's doing. Could be a businessman, could be a sportsman. So in case of a sportsman, it's quite obvious. Every game is watched very closely, and then
Hmm.
he has to justify his performance in different games in front of the press, right? So he's a celebrity.
Yes.
An actor is a celebrity again because of the work he does. A lot of people watch his movies. A singer is a celebrity, right? So there are different domains, but anybody
Yes.
who is a public figure is a celebrity. So celebrity
Ye-
means a public figure.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Hmm. Good. Good.
So yeah.
So,
So
and
yeah.
what do you have any favorite celebrity?
Now I have plenty. They keep on changing with time. But if I
Hmm.
start talking about them, you won't be the one talking, right? So in case you had any confusion as far as the definition of celebrity is concerned, I explained that to you. So now you tell me, is there anybody who's even a little bit famous that you follow closely? For instance, I'm going to give you
Yeah.
another example. There are a lot of learners here who are from the IT industry. Okay,
Hmm.
so they
I just
follow a handful of YouTubers.
hmm.
Yes,
Here
yeah,
we have
continue.
a celebrity, and his name Ram Gopal Verma. Do you
Yeah, he's
know
a
Ram Gopal
director.
Verma? Yes,
Yeah, he's a
yes.
movie
He is a movie
director.
maker.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the only person I know with that name. Okay.
Okay. Don't you know other directors?
I don't know any other celebrity named Ram Gopal Verma. And he hasn't
Hmm.
made a movie in a long time. So I was not quite sure that you're talking about the movie director that I was thinking of.
Hmm.
I
So
thought
I
you
watch,
might be yeah.
hmm, yeah,
So
I
you
watch
watched some of his movies?
interviews and his videos,
Okay. Okay.
and whenever he speak about life, and whenever he discuss about the things, how he express, just I'm just interested for that. I would like to watch his videos on YouTube. Whenever
Okay.
if any new video of Ram Gopal Verma, I just sure I will watch. If it is night or any
Okay.
time, whenever they release, and I just watch.
Okay. So I haven't seen many of his interviews. I've seen some of his movies. So have you seen any of his movies? Do you have any interest in his work?
I don't have any interest in his work.
You are
But
interested in his
I
personality.
yeah, how he will describe. Whenever we see, whenever we go with, we go with a topic for him,
Hmm.
and the way he is expressing himself, I like that. He's
Okay.
not like, he don't follow the routine. He just creates something new,
Okay.
and he tell, for every word he gives a new definition in his own way.
Okay.
That I like more.
Okay. So he does not, he's unconventional. That is what you like about him, that there's nothing conventional or predictable about him.
Okay, okay. Unconventional. What is the exact meaning of unconventional?
Convention is what is usually done, what is usually
Okay.
expected of people. Like a
Ah,
9 to 5 job is a conventional lifestyle.
okay.
Doing a 9 to 5 job is a conventional lifestyle. Then somebody decides to become an artist. He probably works 3 hours a day, and sometimes he doesn't work, or he paints only on weekends, and then he sells his painting for a lakh
Okay.
rupees, right? So that would be an unconventional lifestyle. Like most
Okay.
people, when they rest on the weekends, that person works, and then he makes more money than somebody who does a full-time job, right? I'm
Hmm.
just giving an example. So if we compare the two, the second person is living an unconventional lifestyle, and he's able to make enough money to justify that unconventional lifestyle.
Okay.
So I used to like Ram Gopal Verma earlier because he was making
Hmm.
good movies. Then he started making really bad movies. So suddenly, the artistic license you have to say anything that comes to mind during interviews, it doesn't sound so good when you're not really doing good work. That means there is
Hmm.
something wrong
So
in
you
your mindset.
you use it to okay. You use it to like Ram Gopal Varma, but not now.
The last few movies that I saw, they were not that good. He launched a
Okay.
couple of beginners, and they were not well made, to be honest. But I think some of his
Hmm.
movies, like Satya, is an iconic film. I think he made that movie,
Hmm.
and I think he
Satya,
made Sarkar.
Rangila Company.
He made,
Yes.
yeah, Rangila was a brilliant movie and beautiful music as well. A.R. Rahman gave beautiful music. So those were
Hmm.
good movies. I think
Okay.
Sarkar was another. He made Sarkar with Amitabh Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan. That was also a good movie. He kind of put
Hmm.
Abhishek Bachchan's career on the map. But after that, I think his work started suffering a little bit.
Hmm.
So
And one more
Naveen, we
thing.
are
And
just
do you
about to
think
get.
do you think being a
Yeah,
celebrity is worth it?
of course it is. If you do good work, I think you should be a celebrity because you're doing good work. If you're famous for the sake of
Oh,
being famous, I don't think it will last long. This is my personal opinion.